How's it going, everyone? Welcome to Investment for Beginners. My name is Andy, and thank you for checking out this video where I go over my weekly update on my Roth IRA portfolio. This is our weekly update number 7, so if you are curious how my portfolio has been doing so far this year, make sure to check out the playlist in the description below where I have been keeping track of my weekly update since beginning of the January in 2020. This channel is to encourage and help individuals who are interested in investing and making good retirement. If you like the idea of that, check out the other playlist in the description below where I have basic introduction to investment along with tips and advice for investment in general. Also, if you found any of the video useful, consider sharing it with your friends and family so we can all start investing small, slowly, and smarter. Hopefully, results of our investing and patience will pay off and we can all achieve financial independent freedom. If you are interested in ideas and discussion like this, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos. Also, hit the notification bell on so that way you know when the video goes online. As always, check out this week's fourth quarter report from the companies and see if the company you invested announced their report this week. If you want, feel free to pause the video so that way you can check out the list. Alright, so starting off this week on Monday, US stock market was closed due to the President Day holiday, but that didn't mean that the entire world stock market was closed. However, because I reside in US, my portfolio took a day off along with the US stock market. Apple announced this day that they do not expect to meet its second quarter forecast for revenue due to the coronavirus. And most likely, other companies will miss their second quarter expectation because Apple is not the only company that do their business in China. Apple just happened to be one of the big major company to make public announcement about the news. So on Tuesday, the 18th, the portfolio opened with Friday closing, which was $55,384, and we achieved a gain of $417, starting pretty good for the beginning of the week. And at the end of the day, the current value reached $55,801. On Wednesday, we break new records, surpassing 56,000 mark at $56,215, a gain of $414. So over 2 days, we were able to achieve $800. Starting to feel good where this week is heading. Interesting statement was made this day from China, and I quote, "Encouraging signs have continued to emerge over the past week that China's coronavirus outbreak is contained," said Yang Wang, emerging market and China strategist at Alpine Marco. China's stringent quarantine requirement will likely soon be relaxed, and the government's focus will shift quickly from containing the virus to supporting the economy. End quote. By this day, the total number of cases has broken above 74,000, while confirmed deaths from the coronavirus are more than 2,000. Considering this interesting statement, on Thursday I thought the market will respond kindly, but instead we took a hit of $573 loss, which reduced the portfolio down to $55,642. Friday, there were a number of articles that talk about a coronavirus carrier. There is a person who does not show symptoms of the coronavirus and no effect of its illness, but this person was able to spread the coronavirus to all her family members. So there's a scary possibility that there may be people who do not get sick from coronavirus but carry the virus and pass it to different people. On this day, the portfolio took one of the biggest hits, going from $55,642 to $54,025, a loss of $1,617. I think this may be the biggest single loss I have experienced so far. So for this week, we start from last week closing at $54,384 and down to $54,025, a loss of $1,359. As time is passing by when no actual sign of relief and coronavirus seems to be getting worse and leaving bigger impact on the economy, it's hard to deny that maybe some company will miss their next quarter report by bigger than usual. If you plan to buy a stock, maybe you should wait until the next quarter report because chances are maybe the stock market will go down after the report. Well, make sure that you all keep your eyes on coronavirus update and see how this news is unfolding because as time goes by, it will only get worse, most likely. Thank you for watching this week update and I hope your portfolio has been doing steady and not taking a big loss. It's going to be very interesting where the stock market is gonna go for the next week to month. If you enjoyed the video, super smashing the like button is appreciated and as always invest wisely.